Yeah, that was
So
my question was. Next question was on this only, that we have, I think, 1,200 customers here, and then Punjab is also growing. Haryana is also like coming up with a lot of CNG pumps, and there are many customers, and many people want to learn also. I get a call every second day that I wanted to learn how to install a kit. So, and I have seen that in Tomasetto software there are many actually there are many things which are to be used which we are not using in the software. So I think my next question was that only, that how how we can impart more and more training to the technicians, and how to satisfy the customers, how to um, educate the customers also, that how they can benefit from the CNG kit, and what are the precautions they should take when they are running on CNG kits. So that was the, I think, the training part we are expecting from Tomasetto in the area which are the growing one. I mean, the area is growing. Like yes, a few days back I was traveling from Chandigarh to Amritsar, and there are, I think, n number of pumps available. I was very surprised in that a lot of things have changed in one to 2 years only. That there are n number of CNG pumps available from Chandigarh to Amritsar also. So somebody was telling me a few days back that Punjab will become another Gujarat in terms of CNG pumps. So
true.
this means lot of training and lot of education to the customers is required from, I think, Tomasetto. Since Tomasetto is doing quite well here in North, so I think we expect a lot from Tomasetto as a company also.
So Sandeepji rightly said, training is an integral part of retrofitment, and without proper training, I think the customer will definitely not be satisfied. So as you rightly said, we also believe in the same thing, that if we impart proper training to our retrofitters and their mechanics, probably then the components which are used in the kits will give an enhanced performance, because the components are designed in such a way that they will get attuned to the vehicle, provided it is tuned for once properly. So, for example, our reducer has a technology wherein always the excess gas which is there, for example, if you press the pedal of the accelerator and if there is an extra gas flowing in the system, the reducer itself, along with the ECU, has such a system wherein any extra gas would come back to the reducer, whereby it is not wasted, and also stalling of vehicle by excess gas or less gas doesn't happen. So some technologies are already incorporated in the components, which are key components. Provided we tune it correctly, these functions will not get activated. So I completely agree with you that yes, training is an inseparable part, an integral part of retrofitment. And as and when necessary and decided, we would do our best to impart training locally and also at our outlets in Mumbai, wherein the retrofitter and their mechanic would get well trained so that they can do the same activity, copy it and paste it in their retrofitment centers wherever they are across India.